In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a product on Gumroad. We're going to walk through the setup process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can get your product page ready for customers. If you're selling something like a digital download, a course, or another type of online product, this process will help you build a professional looking listing inside Gumroad. First, log into your Gumroad account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the products section and click new product. This is where everything begins. Gumroad gives you different product options depending on what you want to sell. So take a moment here to choose the one that best matches your offer. Next, select your product type. For example, you might choose a digital product if you're selling a file, or a course if you're offering lessons or educational content. After choosing the product type, enter a name for your product. Make sure the name is clear and specific because this is one of the first things potential buyers will notice. A strong product name should immediately tell people what they're getting. After that, move into the product tab. This is where you'll build out the core details of your listing. Start by writing a clear title and description. Your title should be easy to understand, and your description should explain what the product is, who it's for, and why it's valuable. Try to keep the wording simple and benefit focused so your audience can quickly understand what they're buying. Then upload a high quality cover image or thumbnail. This visual is extremely important because it helps create a strong first impression. Use an image that looks clean, professional, and relevant to the product. A good thumbnail can make your page feel more polished and trustworthy. Once that's done, customize your call to action button. This is the button your customer will click to buy, so the wording should feel inviting and natural. Something simple and enthusiastic works well. You can also add custom attributes or FAQs if needed. This is helpful when you want to give buyers extra information, clarify details, or answer common questions before they purchase. Finally, click Save Changes to make sure your work is stored properly. Then, when everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Publish. That will make your product live and available for your audience. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review your page for clarity, spelling, and overall presentation. A clean, complete product page can make a big difference in how confident buyers feel. And that's it. You've successfully created and published your product on Gumroad.